Gabriel was sent from God and was to Galilee named Nazareth. 27. To a virgin is spouse to a man whose name was Joseph of the house of David, and the virgin name was Mary. And the angel came in unto her and said, Art highly favored, the Lord is with thee, blessed art thou among women. Ikaw ba, Leo? Nagkilig ko po, nakitulo lang man. And the angel came in unto her